So most modern humans today, except for people from Sub-Saharan Africa, have a couple percent ancestry from Neanderthals. Maybe it's a little higher, maybe it's a little lower for any individual person. And all of this Neanderthal ancestry is the result of interbreeding between early modern humans and Neanderthals in Eurasia about 45,000 years ago. One of the early observations people had made when we had originally sequenced the Neanderthal and were comparing it to our own genomes was that while we have a fair amount of Neanderthal ancestry spread throughout most of our chromosomes, we don't really have much on our X chromosomes. And we have now had 10 years of wondering why that is. This study is the first that's able to distinguish between hypotheses about us losing X chromosomes from Neanderthals and us never having gotten them in the first place. And it shows that whenever Neanderthals and modern humans have mated, there's been a preference for male Neanderthals and female modern humans as opposed to the other way around.
It definitely opened up more questions. It's like, well, so first of all, why that happened?
Current armadillos, we just found also that mammals in
Like, what actually leads to this mating preference? Like, was it behavior or was it just biology that it didn't work out? It doesn't rule out the fact that it may just be birth incompatibility. So either side tried, but only one side was successful. Or it's just very strong, what we call mating select or sex selection. So it was, for whatever reason, human female would want to mate with Neanderthal male, but not the other way around. I don't know if we'll ever get a definitive answer to how this happened, since we can travel back in time. But I think this paper, they rule out some of the hypotheses people have been talking.
This is a fairly substantial piece of what goes into shaping our genome and our genetic diversity. And it's not the result of a strictly Darwinian survival of the fittest. This bit's good and this bit's bad and these people survived. But is really the result of how we interact with each other and what our culture and society and behavior is like.